Every year, the glass manufacturing industry recycles over 3 billion tons of glass. This not only speaks volumes about the sustainability efforts in modern manufacturing, but also highlights the immense scale at which these operations occur. Today, we delve into the intricate process of making glass bottles, a common yet fascinating product. The journey of a glass bottle begins with the batch house, where raw materials like silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and cullet, recycled glass, are meticulously weighed and mixed. These ingredients are crucial because they determine the purity and the resilience of the glass. The batch house ensures that these materials blend to exact specifications, setting the stage for quality and consistency. Once the batch is ready, it moves to the furnace, where it melts at temperatures reaching up to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. In this fiery belly of the glass bottle manufacturing process, raw materials transform into a molten glass, ready to be molded into new shapes. The furnace, a powerhouse of the operation, operates continuously, often for years without shutting down, to maintain efficiency and output. Following the furnace, the molten glass flows steadily into the forehearth, which acts as a channel, guiding this viscous liquid to the bottle-forming machines while maintaining a uniform temperature. This step is critical. Any variation in temperature can lead to inconsistencies in the glass bottles. Now comes the heart of the operation, the forming machines. Here, the molten glass is cut into uniform gobs, which are then loaded into molds. These high-precision machines use either the blow-and-blow process for narrow-neck containers, or the press-and-blow process for wide-mouth jars, skillfully shaping the molten glass into bottles. Air is blown into the gob within the mold, expanding it to fill the form of the bottle. This stage not only shapes the bottle, but also determines its thickness and overall quality. After forming, the bottles enter the annealing layer, a long oven that slowly cools the glass to relieve any internal stresses. This gradual cooling process is essential for ensuring the strength and durability of the glass, preventing it from cracking under pressure or temperature changes. Once cooled, the bottles are inspected. Advanced inspection machines scrutinize every inch of the bottle, using cameras and sensors to detect any imperfections. Bottles that pass this rigorous quality control move on to the final stages of labeling and packaging, ready to be shipped and filled with a variety of products. In summary, glass bottle manufacturing is a sophisticated dance of chemistry, precise timing, and mechanical engineering. From the careful mixing of raw materials in the batch house to the intense heat of the furnace, the meticulous molding in the forming machines, followed by the critical cooling in the Annealing Lehr, and concluding with a thorough inspection. Each step is crucial to crafting the perfect glass bottle. Remember, the next time you hold a glass bottle, consider the remarkable engineering and meticulous process behind its creation. I hope you enjoyed a video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bell to see the next video.